Okay guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use a section view in Solidworks. So we might want to use a section view to show what a part looks like from the interior, or to cut away portions of a part so that we can see other portions that are hard to view in a drawing or in certain drawing views. To start here, I have the Lab 2 cabinet file. So this is the cabinet shell that we made in Lab 2. I'm going to create a drawing from part. We've all done this before, right? So we just click A4 anti-landscape as our sheet size, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my standard 3 views. Okay. And so what I'd like to do is to create a section view of this top view here, so we can see exactly what this box looks like, what the cabinet looks like if we were to cut it in half down the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and click View Layout, Section View. Then I'm going to pick a vertical cutting line. You can pick the different types here. And I'm going to place that down the middle and then press OK. So here we have our AA section view from this point A along this line, and it's projected in the left direction, so that's what the arrowheads represent. So we're looking at this box here, the cabinet shell, cut at this line and then looking from right to left. So we can see here we've got this hatched area, and that hatched area is actually where the material would be cut. So if we had to cut this down the middle, this would be where material has been removed. And that hatching basically represents that you're looking at the interior of part material. Okay, if I'd like to do a section view here on the right view, I can do the same thing. View Layout, Section View. Maybe this time we'll do a horizontal cutting line, and we'll place that, say, right there. And I'm going to go ahead and place it there. So we can see section BB is along this cutting line BB, and if we look very carefully, we can actually see the holes that are left from the hinge holes that we created in the cabinet shell. So we can see here that that information is there. These are not shaded because we're cutting through open space where the holes are. Otherwise everything else is hatched because that's actual material. If I'd like to look in the opposite direction, I can select the cutting line BB and flip direction. So now we're looking towards the bottom of the cabinet. In this case it doesn't make a difference, but if I look over here at section AA, I can pick that section line and flip direction, and we can see, because the cutting material is on the bottom of the cabinet, we can see that flipping the direction actually has a drastic impact on what the section view looks like. So that's how you create a section view in SolidWorks. Like I said, there are different styles of section view that you can do. You can do an auxiliary section view or an aligned section view where you can create multiple points. But basically they all work the same. A section view is just simply created from the section line and in the direction of the arrowheads. And then of course it's labeled so that the resultant section view is in a label reference back to the cutting line.